guys, good morning. It's been a while here, and this is another video to update you on the EAGLENET Deriv trading strategy. So how does this work? Basically, as at yesterday, I make a withdrawal of $5 yesterday, and that is why this balance is as low as this. So we're about to build it back up. So this particular software you're seeing here, this one here is my trading software, while this one is my signal software. I built this particular software. This is my EAGLENET platform. I created the EAGLENET app myself, and we have a lot of softwares here, and which this is also one of the software. So how does this work? Basically, as a beginner, all you have to do is be watching the last digit of this trading platform and by pressing the button here, and it will be mapping it. So the mapping will give you a direction. Whatever direction it gives you will tell you whether to go lower, which is sell, or go higher, which is buy. So for example, we have digit, let's start with, we have 5, okay, we have 4, we have 9, we have 0, which is above, we have 9, we have 5, we have 6. So you see the mapping literally give me downtrend here, right? So which means I'm supposed to purchase downtrend. So that's for beginners, but if you're an expert, all you have to do is, you don't need this mapping. All you have to do is use your eye to scan. So I'm using my eye to scan, then I know when to enter, I know when to exit. So for example, you don't just click any digit blindly, okay? There are things to also watch out for. There are things you watch out for. So things like, for example, if you want to purchase lower, I want to purchase lower, so you have to ensure that the trend is up, okay? And if the trend is up, majorly the digit I do want to target is, I always want to target the digit 9 or digit 0 as 10. Don't forget that. If the previous digit before the 0 appears is greater than 5, then the 0 is 10. Only or intermediate or expert trader will understand what I'm saying here. So we always want to target digit 9 or digit 0 as 10 as my entry analysis. So I'm waiting for the first signal, which is the trend has to be up. Then once I see 9 or 0, my analysis starts. Alright, so I have 9 to 6 to 8 to 7 to 6 to 3 to 7 to 5 to 7 to 6. Let's just go with 6. So you watch. See, this is a downtrend. Now it might look somehow complicating to you being a beginner, but in as much as you embed yourself into it, into the practicing, you are going to realize how easy it is to identify these numbers and turn it into trend. So basically, again, we'll wait for the market to keep going up. It's in down format now, so any analysis I want to make here is supposed to be for higher, which is rise or up. So but since I'm targeting for lower, so I have to wait for this downtrend to end, then go back up, then start looking for my signal for lower. Let's take one more trade. We have 0 to 1 to 8 to 7 to 1. So I'm purchasing lower. It's not showing the analysis chart, but let's watch and see the outcome. Alright, so this is a winning trade also. It's not showing us, but it's a winning trade because it's a downtrend format. So because of that didn't show, I will anticipate us to take one more trade. So from 9 to 6 is a downtrend, but let's watch for confirmation. 3 to 1, the one is blue. 6 to 6 to 0, 10 to 5 to 1, 1 is blue. 6, oh, that's an advert. Another thing you have to understand, You have to be careful. For example, now we have one blue, but we have one blue here. You see this? One blue, and we have one red. So let's say the market is coming from up here, then it is one blue. It's a downtrend, but the downtrend is not as strong as if it gives you one red. Do you get the point now? So that's why I'm trying to avoid the one blue, because the one blue simply means that the market is still uptrend. It doesn't mean that it's not going to go downtrend. For example, just like a weak sell and a strong sell. So I wouldn't want to go for a weak sell. I want to go for a what? A strong sell, which is what? One red. Do you get the point now? So that's exactly how it works. So now let's watch again. We have 9 to 2 red. That's a strong one. 6 red. 4, 2 blue, 1 blue, 0. All are blues. So the analysis is, you have to restart. Don't forget, I'm starting from, since it's up, I'm starting from 9 or 10. Let's do this together. Let's watch together. I don't want to pause again. I'm not pausing again. So you can understand how I'm doing the analysis. I think I've explained the color pattern of it. So we have 9 to 6 to 1 blue to 3, 9 to 9 to 1 red. Good, that's a strong sell. As for me, that's a strong sell because it's deep all the way from 9 to what? 1 red. So to me, it's a strong sell. So let's watch and see the outcome. Alright, so don't forget, analysis is not guaranteed. Now look at this. To me, it's a strong sell, but look at what it's doing. It almost hit our barrier. Now it gives me 9 blue, 9 red, then 1 red, which to me is a strong sell because it dips from here all the way here. But then you know that, what if I have waited for more confirmation? Because after this 1 red, what if it gives 9 blue back? I don't know if you get my point. Or what if it gives 7 blue then 0 red, which is, it has literally obstructed this downtrend and turned it back to uptrend. So maybe that's exactly what had happened in this particular scenario here. Because after it jump like that, there should be a fixing in between here. So what fixes it? Immediately me, I saw 9 blue, 9 red, 1 red. Sorry, 1 red. What did I do? I map out it as downtrend, but I should have waited for more confirmation. And what's the confirmation? Is this thing still in downtrend or is going up? But unfortunately, it does not stay long in downtrend and started going up. We are almost caught out here. So I don't know if you get the point now. So that's another lesson. Okay, that's another lesson. So thank you for staying with me. Stay safe. See you at the top.